Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As I have mentioned on my previous video, I will be updating you on my cacti collection. So today I have the time to ano to tend them. So what I did is I uproot them kasi napansin ko guys, parang hindi sila lumalaki. Yun yung iba na dehydrate. So, ayun, pag-check ko nga, may mga root mealybugs. So, ayun, in-uproot ko na sila lahat. Nilinisan ko, guys. Ayan. So, plano kong i-repot sila ulit use soil, pero I will be using insecticide na. Hindi kasi ako nakapaglagay ng insecticide nung niripat ko sila before. So ayun guys. So, yung ginawa ko is ni-root trim ko. Ito, gumanda siya. Nung nilagay ko siya sa arawan, nagka-tip var. So, ayun talaga. So, ito yung mga malalaki ko na cactus na matagal na sa akin. This one, naging perfect na siya. Pretty tip var din. Ito yung bumaba na yung kulay. Ayan. So, my favorite, Samjid. This one. So, ayan lang guys. So, hinihintay ko pa yung aking order from Shopee para mairipat ko na sila. Ayun, sobrang kalat dito. Ayan. And also guys pala, ito yung mga ganito ko. Maraming babies. This one. And ito nakalimutan ko na ang ID. But marami silang babies and nakapag-propagate ako. Let me take you there. Ayan. Ito. Yung iba may mga ugat na ate. So, ito, green marble. Grabe mag-baby ni green marble. Ito yung mother. Yan si mother. Ayan. So, ito yung mga ganap ko. So, yung area nila guys, papakita ko. Ito yung area nila. Diyan. So, this one receives sun at around 10:30 up to 12. Then, 1 up to 4. Yan. So, ito lang yung the best part na area na makapaglagay ako ng plants because dun sa likod is maraming manok. Doon sana sa likod is whole day yung sun, which is very good place for succulents. Kaya lang, I don't have greenhouse. And if mag-greenhouse man ako guys, kailangan ko siya lagyan ng net because nga, madaming manok. Yun yung kapitbahay namin is, may lupa sila dito na may mga manok din. So, ayun lang downside dito sa aming bagong area, dito sa bagong bahay namin. Nakapaglipat na kasi kami guys. Sariling bahay na namin ito. So, forever na kami dito. But, I don't have the nice area or a good area for my succulents. So, that's why, for now, hindi ako bumibili guys. Because nga, I don't have the area. So, share ko lang guys, what I will be using as an insecticide is the Furadan. Furadan is not safe It's not safe for beneficial insects, but I have no choice kasi yun lang yung mura. Yun lang yung afford ko for now. Startle G kasi is mahal. So, ayan. So, I'm waiting for the Furadan and for my pumice stone na konti lang naman, 1 kilo. Ayun. So, para mairipat ko na sila, guys. So, I will be showing you some of my favorites here. This one. Ayan, Acerfatum super kabuto. Ganda pala, guys. So, bilog na bilog. Yan. One of my favorite. Of course, this one. Crested one. Aray. Sakit to, This one also in Hermes. So, hindi naman masyadong marami ang aking collection, guys. Kasi naman, nagtitipid din tayo. Mapagalitan tayo ni Mister. Pagbili tayo ng bili. This one, ayun o, ang ganda na niya. Ayan, getting perfect. This one too, pretty. This one, pink pearl. Ganda din. So, this one, oh, maganda din. So, I have astrof items here. Ayan. So, nangangati. Katulad akong kamot, guys, to repot them. Kaya lang, sa 5 pa ata dating ng aking order from Shopee. So, ayun. So, I can't wait to share with you guys my journey in these plants here in this new area. Sana makapag-thrive sila dito. I believe so naman, gymnos pwede dito, but succulents not yet. So maghintay muna tayo makapaggawa tayo ng greenhouse with nettings. So ayun lang, guys. Thank you for dropping by again to my new channel. Please do like, subscribe to this channel, guys. And thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye!